So today, Mr Joseph Dix and Mr Macauley Ruddock have been found guilty of the murder of Andrew Main, aged 33. This was following an incident on the 17th of July, back in the summer, where all persons were in Swansea, not known to each other prior to the incident, but were all staying at the same hotel. They've met earlier in the evening in a pub within the city centre and have returned to the hotel. An argument has broken out where Mr Dix and Mr Ruddock have chased the victim, Mr Main, down the stairs, punched him from behind, rendering him unconscious. He's hit the floor, and then they've further assaulted him whilst defenceless on the floor. Mr Main sadly never regained consciousness and died of his injuries in hospital some weeks later. So Mr Ruddock and Mr Dix will face significant sentences for their violent actions that night, and we hope that this will bring some comfort to the family of Mr Main, who are deeply grieving the loss of their loved one.